Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're taking a close look at a product that promises to tackle one of the most stubborn skincare concerns, those dark circles and under-eye puffiness. If you've been on the hunt for an eye gel that delivers on its promises, this might just be worth considering. We're diving into the Robanda Retinol Active Renewal Eye Gel, a treatment that combines the anti-aging power of retinol with hydrating and soothing ingredients to refresh and revitalize your eyes. Let's see how well it really works. The Robanda Retinol Active Renewal Eye Gel is designed to address multiple concerns around the delicate under-eye area, including dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Its key active ingredient, retinol, is known for its ability to stimulate skin renewal, which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin texture. This gel also contains phospholipids, which protect the skin while strengthening its structure, and vitamins A, C, and E, which are crucial for skin rejuvenation. Not to mention, chamomile, known for its calming properties, is included to soothe and reduce irritation. So, how does it perform in real-world use? Let's talk about my experience with it. I've been using this eye gel for about 2 weeks now, and I've noticed a few things right off the bat. First, the stainless steel applicator is a nice touch. It really does help cool and depuff the eyes when you apply the product, especially in the morning when puffiness is most noticeable. The texture of the gel itself is lightweight and absorbs fairly quickly, which I appreciate because it doesn't leave a greasy residue or feel heavy around the eyes. When it comes to dark circles, I've definitely seen some improvement. They're not completely gone, but they've noticeably lightened over time. This gel isn't a miracle worker for severe discoloration, but for general fatigue and minor dark circles, it does help brighten and give the eye area a more rested appearance. As for puffiness, I've had similar results. The cooling sensation really helps with instant depuffing, and after a few minutes, my eyes look a lot less swollen. On the downside, I did experience some mild tingling at first. While this is often a sign that the retinol is doing its job, it might not be the best for those with extremely sensitive skin. Another minor thing is the scent. It's very faint, but there is a slight herbal note due to the chamomile. It doesn't linger long, but if you're sensitive to fragrances, you might want to keep that in mind. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Retinol helps with anti-aging by reducing fine lines and promoting skin renewal. The cooling stainless steel applicator offers a nice depuffing effect. Hydrating ingredients like phospholipids and vitamins A, C, and E help nourish the skin. Made in the USA, cruelty-free and paraben-free. Cons? Mild tingling sensation may not be ideal for very sensitive skin. It's not an instant fix for deep dark circles. Results are gradual. Slight herbal scent might be off-putting to some. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Robanda Retinol Active Renewal Eye Gel is fairly priced for its quality. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but considering the active ingredients like retinol and the added vitamins, the price point is reasonable. If you're looking for something with a similar focus on retinol, but at a lower price, there are alternatives like Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream that offer similar benefits without breaking the bank. As for the product's build quality, the packaging is simple yet sturdy, and I appreciate the inclusion of the stainless steel applicator. It feels premium for the price. This eye gel has a reasonable shelf life as well, and the formula should remain effective over time as long as it's kept sealed and away from excessive heat or sunlight. I haven't had any direct experience with Robanda's customer service, but the brand's reputation in the market suggests they're responsive to inquiries and issues. In conclusion, the Robanda Retinol Active Renewal Eye Gel is a solid option if you're looking for a product to help with mild under-eye puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. It delivers gradual results and feels refreshing with each use. If you're after something with a high concentration of retinol and hydrating ingredients, this is worth considering. But if you're looking for an immediate fix for severe under-eye issues, this may not be the game changer you're hoping for. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world, and it helps us bring more honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences.